You're back, and today we're here with Khiera. Say hi, Khiera. Say hi. Say hi. What to say? Hi, guys. Hi, guys. So, guys, we're here unboxing some hand spinner. She said she want to be go-to YouTuber and she wanna unboxing, and I got to replay again this. Replay again because she won. Because she want to be unboxer too. Okay, come on, let's go. Yeah, and guys, take YouTube again. So it's unboxing again here. Again, replay again, fidget spinner, or I delete the another video of spinner. So this is another. Let me put the camera here. This here. Okay, more to gear. Okay, let's open up the fidget spinner. Okay, let's unboxing the fidget spinner. Unboxing. Okay, we put the box here. Okay, get it out. She's like, you can like this. Wow. Say hi, guys. Look to the camera. Whoa. Whoa. You want to play? Yeah. Wait. These guys have to play. Woo. So guys, thanks for watching this unboxing time and unboxing time. Unboxing. So guys, thanks for watching this KK Troop. We're back again here for tomorrow on next time. Show you guys. Subscribe this channel, put a big thumbs up, and today we're in a thumbs up. KK Troop. Bye guys. Say bye So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.